Hi everyone, I'm Derin. In this video, we are going to see how I made 25% return in just 1 hour. I took a short position on RBL Bank today morning and made something around 25% return. So in this video, we will see what are the strategies I have used in order to get that 25% and what is short sell in brief we will see. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Let's understand the concept of short selling. So normally what we used to do is that assume that the price is 100 and you are expecting that the price will go up by 20 points, that is 120. So you will buy at 100 and sell at 120. So the difference 20 is your profit. So what is short selling? It's vice versa. That is the current price is 100 and you are expecting that the stock price will fall by 20 points, that is 80. So you will sell first at 100 rupees and buy later at 80. So the difference 20 is your profit. So let's understand this with practical example. Right now we are in my Zerodha platform. This is the chart of RBL Bank. RBL is facing some kind of issues right now. The price is falling like anything. So yesterday I was found this beautiful triangle pattern over here, and today morning it has start with gap down. So I was pretty sure that the price will come down. So my entry was at this level. I sold 140 quantities at the rate of 139.10, I guess. Let's check it out. Yeah, yes, 139.10, and I bought it at 131.31. By this time I'm sure that you all know what is short selling. So you will sell first, then you will buy, right? So the difference is gonna be your profit. So I sold it at this level and I bought it at this level. I set this as my target because yesterday it has touches this line, so I set this as my target and it has beautifully touches this target and exited at this level at 131.35, I guess. Yes, so the profit is around, let's check the profit. So the profit is 1085 rupees. I sold 140 quantities at the rate of 139.10. So the total amount is 19,474. But we no need to pay the actual amount. In intraday, the broker will give leverages. Okay. So the 20% of the capital is enough to took the trade. So my capital for this trade is 3,894, which is 20% of 19,474, and I made a profit around 1085, which is so the return on investment is around 27.8. That is really huge, right? You can do short selling only in intraday, otherwise you can do it in futures and options. So that's it from this video. See you again. Bye bye.